Oh, life is better sober. No, it's not. Oh, fuck, my hiccups. Oh, God. You're lying if you say that life is better sober. That's wrong. Life is so much better not... God! Fuck it. Hold on. All right. Hiccups, chill out a little bit. But back to... Oh my, I don't know if I'll be able to finish the video. Back to what I was saying. Life is not better sober, okay? That's the biggest lie I've ever heard from anyone ever. So obviously the hiccups won't stop. So you get what I'm saying, though. Fuck you if you think life's better sober. Fuck that.